And we're moving on into the next part. We're going to switch the way we're holding our hands. This time we're holding both of the hands. Now we're going to go away from each other. Man is taking a step backward with the left leg, lady backward with the right leg. 1 and 2. Ending up like this. Let's do it again. Man goes backward with the left leg. Left. Back onto your right leg. Start raising your hands, and now you're going to switch your hands in such a way that you want to hold the lady's right hand with your right hand. Then take a step with the left leg behind the lady. And grab the second hand of the lady with your left hand. Let's now count this part. And 1 and 2. Let's now focus on the lady's steps. Right backward, left forward, right to the side in front of the partner. Reach with your left hand to the side so that the man can grab it easily. Man is now standing on the left leg, lady on the right leg. And now we're going to continue dancing with the legs that are free. Lady with the left leg backward, man with the right leg backward. Step and side. Switching places and our legs. Now the left leg of the man goes backward, forward, to the side, switching places one more time, and again, right, forward, to the side. Let's now show it from the opposite side so you can copy us easily. Side step. Now right leg goes backward, left, to the side. Now left one backward, left, front, side. Right backward, left, side, left backward, right, side. Faster. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again, remember that you're supposed to use your hips. Don't be afraid of that. Whenever we're taking those steps, the hips are active as well. Let's do it one more time. Man goes backward with the left, forward, behind the partner. And now the part that we've practiced. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. The man is behind the lady all the time, and the hands are going above the lady and down between the sequences. You're also rotating your upper bodies to each other so you can look at each other between the sequences. 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6,